Wait, did you know you can make naturally fizzy soda at home using just carrots? And the best part? It's not only delicious, it's packed with vitamins, probiotics, and naturally fermented goodness. No chemicals, no artificial carbonation, just simple ingredients and a little bit of patience. Today, I am going to show you how to make homemade carrot soda, naturally fermented and incredibly refreshing. But before making the soda, we first need to create something called carrot ginger bug. To start the fermentation process, we need a natural starter culture. For this, I have taken equal amounts of grated carrot, grated ginger and sugar. Carrot already contains natural sugars which helps the fermentation grow faster. Now I will add about 100 ml of filtered water. Give everything a good stir, then leave the jar at room temperature. You will start seeing tiny bubbles and activity inside the jar. Every day we will feed the bug, add half a spoon of grated carrot and sugar and stir well. This means the natural fermentation is becoming active. My room temperature is around 30 degrees Celsius, so the fermentation works quite fast. We will continue feeding it for 5 days. After about 5 days, the carrot ginger bug becomes very active with bubbles. At this stage, it is ready to make soda. And the best part is, this bug can be used to make many different homemade sodas using different fruits. Today we will use it to make carrot soda. For this recipe, I have taken 1 kilogram of fresh carrots. Now I will extract the fresh carrot juice using a juicer. Fresh juice works best for fermentation. Now take a sterilized flip-top bottle. Pour the carrot juice until the bottle is about 1/3 full. Since I plan to store the drink a little longer, I will add 1 spoon of sugar. Now add 30 ml carrot ginger bug, 50 ml fresh water. One important thing to remember, never fill the bottle completely. Always leave some space for carbon dioxide to build up. Otherwise, the bottle may burst. Many people think that flip-top bottles are required to make homemade soda, but that's not true. Today I will also make soda using a normal bottle with a tight cap. Just follow the same process and close the cap tightly. In fact, if you are a beginner or feel unsafe, using a normal bottle can actually be safer. Flip-top bottles can be dangerous if they are not handled properly. Now we will leave both bottles at room temperature for 2 days. During this time, the natural yeast will create the carbon dioxide, which turns the juice into soda. After 2 days, you can already see the color becoming more vibrant. Lots of bubbles forming inside. Now we will place the bottles in the refrigerator for another 2 days. This slows down fermentation and makes the soda perfectly chill for drinking. Today is the 5th day, 2 days in room temperature and 2 days in the refrigerator. Let's see what happened. Always remember, never open fermented soda at room temperature. Open it only when it is cold, otherwise the pressure may cause it to overflow. And always keep a big bowl underneath before opening. And here we go. Look at that. Beautiful natural carbonation. The pressure inside the bottle shows the soda is perfectly fermented. The aroma is amazing, fresh, slightly sweet and naturally fizzy. and the taste absolutely delicious. This homemade carrot soda is refreshing, healthy, and full of natural probiotics. Now I am going to show you how the normal bottle with cap works to make fermented soda. This bottle has been kept in a refrigerator for 4 days and you can already see a lot of activity happening inside. The natural fermentation has created plenty of carbonation and pressure. Let's open it and see what happens. This is exactly what happens when soda is kept for too long. Even a normal bottle with tight cap is very capable of building strong air pressure during fermentation. So here are the key takeaways when making homemade soda. Always consume the soda within about 5 days. Always open the bottle when it is properly chilled. And always keep a large bowl underneath when opening the bottle. Today I showed you an extreme example, but if you follow these simple rules, homemade fermented soda is very manageable and completely safe to enjoy. If you enjoy this recipe and want to learn more about fermentation and homemade probiotic drinks, make sure to like the video, leave a comment and tell me if you will try this recipe. Subscribe to Brewnourish for more fermentation recipes because simple ingredients can create amazing food and drinks at home. See you in the next video.